Hi there, I'm Jimmy House with A1 Vacuum Sales and Service in Louisville, Kentucky, right here in the Highlands. Today I'm going to be showing off the German-made Sebo D4 canister. This bad boy is loaded with a ton of features and I want to show them off to you. So we're going to start with their power nozzle on the D4. It has 4 different height adjustments, so you can raise that nozzle up and down on certain types of carpets and oriental rugs. Underneath here you have a clog door. In case you accidentally pick up something you're not supposed to, it's very easily removed right there. You can remove the end cap and remove the brush roll without any tools. You can put the roller back in after you get all the hair off of there and then snap it back in place. You have a nice extension wand to fit your perfect height. You have your on-off button for your brush roll right here at your fingertips. That's very important because you're going to be going back and forth from your rugs, your water wall carpet, your hardwood, things like that. So it's very, very nice location to turn the roller on and off. Suction control right here, so you can go up and down on your suction based off how much suction you want on your orientals, or maybe doing drapes, things like that. Canisters are made to get into very low, tight places as well. So you can see it's very, very low profile. You can take the nozzle off, get up real high as well. As you can see, that is a 7-foot hose, so I can get all the way up to nice tall ceilings if I need to. On the canister here, on the back, we have your 3 main cleaning tools. So we have a dusting brush, upholstery tool, and a crevice tool that sits all nice and tight. They do not fall off like a lot of other canisters. So I love the location there. They're tucked away, but they're also easily to get to when you need to. You also have a 40-foot retractable cord. Yes, I said 40 foot. That is extremely long when it comes to the canisters. And you just hit a button and it goes right back in. This comes stock with a 5-year warranty. Right now, they have extended warranties. When you buy a Sebo from an authorized dealer, you can get an upgrade up to a 10-year motor, 10-year on non-wear parts, and 7-year labor. You do have to purchase that through an authorized dealer. So more information is on our website, or you can call us at 502-451-4515. Or obviously we want you to come in and get the full demo experience. We'll put it in your hand and let you play around with it, and then we'll show you off the K3 and the E3 as well. So there's other models besides this. So come check it out. We're at 1523 Bardstown Road, Louisville, Kentucky, right here in the Highlands. Thank you so much.